Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. Please subscribe if you're new in this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a header using Brizy template. So when you're inside Brizy, here you can say start building your page. So click here and then go here, create your own. And now we'll start building our header. So how can we do that? Well, in header, we'd like to get our phone number, our contact page to be connected, our logo, and maybe we want as well our menu. So to begin with, we click here and we will call this column. And then we'll all again call because we need 4 of them, so we'll bring it here. Now in the first one we're going to add a text. Why? Because we'd like to give the phone number here. So maybe I can do one thing more, is copying this one and also copying this one, because I can't put the element here because my screen maybe is smaller. So instead I will put it here and then I will delete them. So what I can do is now putting a text here, and here you can write the phone number. Okay, phone number. So just give the numbers, whatever you have phone number. And also maybe you can give them email address as well here. Just being creative, because once I will show how to create them, you can do whatever comes in your mind, because in Brizy you have enough element to become creative. And here I'm going to set a button, and in this button I write contact. And here you can see the arrow sign. So this button will let you go in the contact form. And now I'm going to delete this one. So now you can see here you have got phone number and email address and then contact. And also I'd like to delete this one as well. No, I will keep it because now I'm going to put image here. So what this image is going to be? Well, for now we're going to choose one image as our logo. I select it and I update it. So you can see our logo is here. Now I'm going to delete this button. So the logo, the size and shape is different. You can adjust this size and shape whenever you want. And then this one, I would like to have a menu here. So here is the logo. On top you have your phone number, your contact, and now I'm bringing the menu item. You see, the menu is selected by default, the first one, but we're building a restaurant page, so I will bring the front menu that we have created for restaurants. And how I have created this one, you just go and check the description box and you will find that. So this has become my header. So I can use this header. Of course, this header does not look so lucrative. So we will start designing it, background color, and also the font of this, and also this one. So one by one we will start designing them so that it gets really lucrative. Now this one is your top bar or your header. Thank you very much.